More hip-hop artists show support for Josh Cullen. Yes, more artists ang naglabas ng kanilang komento patungkol sa isyu ni Ato laban sa pagkapanalo ni Josh Cullen at para na rin sa kaunawaan ng fans ng hip-hop. Ayon kay Sir Mark Anthony Calgianan, isa sa mga hip-hop artist na sumikat sa early 2000s, the year was 2004, over 20 years ago. My first album, my debut single The Answer, was released under Japanese label XAX. My label mates were Mocha Uson, Faith Cuneta, United Freestyles, and yeah, Mr. Blaze also dropped his debut album on the same year. We were hot, we came out of nowhere and represented that hip-hop music everywhere we went. But we were fine with one thing. Well, let me speak for myself na lang. I was fine with one thing. That's Parokya ni Edgar winning Rap Song of the Year for Yes Yes Show. Why? May kuya na tumayo. May kuya na nag-promote ng peace. May kuya na nagsabing mas maganda kung maging magkakaibigan tayo. Di na ako magbabanggit ng pangalan dahil kilala nyo naman. Natural reaction is get mad kasi may bisita sa genre nating pinakamamahal na nag-uwi ng pizza pie na dapat ay para sa atin. Pero it happens and we need to handle things with class. Kaya today, I am friends with Parokya, naka-jam din si Chito sa Itbulaga, and collector friend ko si Darius. End of the day, music is a universal language. These awards, they have several judges with different tastes, criteria for winning, basis for winning. Parang boxing lang, anytime pwede masilat, pwede manalo ang underdog. At madami naman ang awards. Following year, I won RX 93.1 Hip Hop Song of the Year for Say You Love Me. Tapos nanalo din ako ng Song of the Year sa Philippine Hip Hop Awards for Awit Kay Inay and also won Indie Artist of the Year. I wonder what could have happened if I burned bridges and made big enemies that year. Baka wala ako dito ngayon. Wala akong opinion sa issues now, wala din akong advice kasi wala akong katungkulan. Pero I am just sharing history, forgotten history. Sometimes it repeats itself and 20 years later, andito na naman tayo. Enjoyin natin ang musika, much love to everybody. Ayon naman kay Rapido, POV ng isang hip-hop, kung di mo kilala ang SB19 at papakinggan mo lang music nila, di mo mai-imagine na pop artist sila. Sa nakaka-appreciate ng music, talagang panalo yung siksik na transition ng feels and swag yung tunog nila. Deserve niya yun. Still, may taste ng hip-hop music. Hip-hop is not always about the culture, style, and lifestyle. Appreciated Sir Josh. Ayon naman kay Delo ng Flip Top RBL, nagmamaktol kayo dahil sa palagay nyo hindi hip-hop yung nanalo, pero pag naglalabas ng kanta yung mga solidong hip-hop, di nyo naman sinishare. Alam nyo bang higit pa sa nakakuha ng award yung pakiramdam namin kapag may nagsishare ng kanta namin, kahit sino pa yan? Ayon naman kay Kial ng 187 Mobstaz, kaya siguro siya nanalo dahil maraming sumusuporta. Kung sinuportahan nyo rin kaya mga mahuhusay na local hip-hop artists natin, edi sila ang nakabungad dyan. Puro kasi kayo away, inggitan sa pawan, ang hilig nyo sa versus. May isang imik nga na kung gusto mong makarinig ng mga huni ng ibon, huwag kang gumawa ng hawla, magtanim ka ng puno.